Namaste, Vanakkam, and welcome to Ramachandra International Public School, Nekarapatti, Palani. Warm greetings to all the dignitaries of Central Board of Secondary Education and our inspection committee members, Mrs. Urmila Singh, Principal of DAV Public School, Jharkhand, and Sister Veena D'Souza, Principal of St. Joseph's Convent Secondary School, Punjab. We feel happy to present you the video of our school premise recorded for the purpose of virtual inspection for CBSE upgradation from secondary level to senior secondary level. It's a pleasure to take you all to the small journey to our school campus, guiding you throughout this video. Ramachandra International Public School is established in the year 2013 by Mrs. Ranjita Madam, our correspondent, with the motto being Nurturing Value, Applying Knowledge. Our school is located at the prime area of Palani in a place called Nekarapatti village. This is our main entrance. Towards the right here, this road leads to Coimbatore Main Road. And towards the left, this road leads to Palani Main Road. Now you're seeing our school compound wall, which is of about 7 feet height in continuity, covering the total area of our school being 20 acres. As we move forward, you can see our school buses parked in line. To tell about our transport system, we provide bus facilities to all the students covering up to 30 kilometers in and around Palani. We have experienced drivers and conductors for each bus. Here is our parking lot with a security cabin situated near to it. This parking area can accommodate nearly 30 vehicles at a time. Two guards work here on shift basis 24/7 and registers are maintained by them marking the entry and exit of people coming into the campus. Here the security along with the duty teachers regulate the students towards the school campus. Now we are moving to the most important zone of our school. Yes, the playground and the play area. Towards my right is the kids' play area, which is built for the primary children like seesaw, slides, meant for their physical coordination and enjoyment. Now let me show you the exterior of a school building. As we move forward, you can find the lobby with ample space for the parents to wait for their turn. Let us have a short visit to our classrooms. This is a grade 1 classroom which is well ventilated with two doors and large windows. The size of each classroom is 22 by 26, which is spacious and sophisticated. We have very well equipped furniture for the students to place their bags so that they can sit in their place comfortably. Each class has a one green board and soft boards, that is spinner boards, to display the creative activities by the students and also the lesson aids by the teachers. This infrastructure applies to all remaining classes. Now you can see the classrooms that we have allocated for the upgradation. 11th grade A section and B section at the ground floor and 11th grade C section and D section at the first floor. This is our computer science lab. This lab is facilitated with 20 systems of 2 GB RAM well connected to a server with high speed internet. We have sufficient number of systems where the students can do their practicals individually in each session. A school without library are like plants without sunshine. Yes, this is the most important area of our school. We have various books on all the subjects, story books, totally around 2500 in number, all arranged accordingly in the racks and cupboards. The magazines, periodicals, newspapers are placed here. We have a well qualified librarian who takes utmost care in maintaining silence in the class and ensures that the students have their quality time in reading. Library book register is being maintained and we have both hard copy and soft copy. We are issuing library books to the students to develop their knowledge. We have a system with internet connection to serve data which is monitored by our librarian. You can also see a projector mounted above for audio-visual classes. Let us have a look into the boys' restroom. They are well aerated and hygienic. Cubicles are used for the partitions. We have 15 urinals, 5 toilets, 5 wash stations with very good water supply. We have a separate area for the gen staff. This is our maths lab room. We believe in practical learning of each and every concept. You can see all the items related to the subject being displayed on the table. The lab things like fraction, volume, surface area, parallelogram, quadrilaterals, triangles, geoboards for showing shapes, etc. The stock register is maintained and is regularly checked by the principal. The teacher must bring the students at least once in every week for activity based learning. We also maintain a separate room for indoor games. This is the place where every child loves to spend their time. It is open only during their respective PET period and also after school hours. We have boards like chess, carom, ludo, etc. RIPS always encourages the students in creative thinking. With an effort to involve the students in the current world of gadgets and technology, Separate room is allocated for the robotic class, which is the part of the curriculum for the grades 1 to 8. Robotic is also called as STEAM, which stands for Science, Technology, English, Arts, and Maths, which are taught in a technical way. This session is always fun filled because the students practically handle and apply their programming knowledge. These are the water points which are placed in two areas in our campus. One in the first floor and the other one in the ground floor. Here's the area for the teachers to spend their time during their free hours and prepare for their next classes. We also have one more staff room at the first floor. This particular room is used for the multipurpose activities. Here we have keyboards, drums, and other music bands, which the students can use it in their respective ECA classes and also after school hours. The students can even perform yoga and meditations here. Dance practice for any kind of celebration also takes place. So this is the most happening place in our school. There can be no teaching without teaching aid and practicals. Here's the crucial zone of our institution. Yes, the science lab. First, let's see the biology lab. The items are upgraded according to the requirements of the students for grade 9 to 12. You can see the microscope, dissection microscope, spotters, specimens, all the models of the body parts. There are slides and charts which are hung for the proper view of the subject related topics. Here is our physics lab, which is well equipped with items like sonometer, magnets, potentiometer, spring constant, tangent galvanometer, spectrometer grating, spectrometer prism, NPN transistor, amplifier, sodium lamp, etc. The list of equipments are maintained in our stock register. We are now present in the chemistry lab. Each item are updated regularly and has been kept for display, right from the beakers, Bunsen burners, titration equipments, purette stand, flask, test tubes, and other apparatus used for chemistry practicals. The salts, solution, and acids are also kept, which are required for studying chemical reaction and salt analysis. Now let's move on to the KG level. We have about 4 classes for KG. Here's one of our classroom. As you can see, it is very spacious with proper ventilation. Each classroom has got green board and soft boards for which it is used for displaying the chart works. Furniture is designed in keeping in mind the comfort of the kids. They are so child-friendly materials. This kind of seating arrangement helps the kids in teamwork, better interaction with fellow mates, and have fun-filled classes. Every week, we conduct various celebrations for the KG level and make each and every student participate with full enthusiasm. This is the activity room for kids in KG level. The tiny tots can use the Montessori items which helps them to observe and improve their kinetic skills, fine motor skills and other life skills. The students can have fun-filled based learning and practically do their activities on their own. The provisions for playing indoor is also given like slides, cards, seesaw, etc. We have a provision for our counselor and is provided with a separate cabin. This is to make sure that psychological behavior of each child is taken care of. Our counselor conducts various counseling programs regularly in order to maintain good mental stability among the children. Welcome to the wellness room of our school. A nurse is always being available to provide medical care for the students at critical times or in case of any emergency. The students can also rest here for a while. First aid box is maintained regularly. Here's the area for the teachers to spend their time during their free hours and prepare for their next classes. We also have one more staff room at the first floor. This is girls' restroom. We have 7 urinals, 9 toilets for the students, 2 separate toilets for the staff, and 4 wash basins with good water supply. Now you are seeing the overall view of the campus inside the building. This is where our everyday assembly takes place. There you can see a stage in the middle. In the morning, all the students are made to gather before their classes where the prayer is held which goes for 5 minutes. Principal gives motivational speech for another 5 minutes. Frolika is held on every Monday by students of each grade. With the guidance of the teachers, the students showcase their talent in the form of skit, mime, and dance on various topics on moral values and principles of life. In the evening, they are again gathered for the national anthem. Here we also celebrate all the festivals like Pongal, Diwali, Christmas, Bakrid, Krishna Jayanti, etc. We also provide ECA classes like karate, archery, skating, drums, keyboards, dance, and vocals. To ensure the safety of the children, 6 fire extinguishers are wall mounted in various places in our campus. 2 fire extinguishers are kept in the laboratories. We also have sand and water in either side of the assembly area. To the left, you can find the tennis court, volleyball court, and shuttlecock court all adjacent to one another. This is our newly opened international basketball court. We also have a ground of area about 23 by 14 meters used for coco games and athletics. This area is used for skating. Finally, we have arrived at our principal cabin. Our principal, Dr. C. Marianathan sir, will share a few words with us.
Happy morning to all. We have covered almost all the areas of our school. I hope you have a vast and clear idea of our school. And I thank the CBSE Affiliation Board and the Virtual Inspection Committee members, Mrs. Urmila Singh, Principal, DAV Public School, Jharkhand, and Sister Veena D'Souza, Principal, St. Joseph's Convent Secondary School, Punjab, for patiently traveling with us throughout this video. With this, I conclude our video. Thanking you all once again. I remain Dr. C. Marianathan, Principal, Ramachandra International Public School, Neikarapatti, Palani, Tamil Nadu. Thank you.